It's our passion to make the world sleep comfortably. So Foam Home has been making mattresses for the last 43 years. They've been constantly innovating, improving, so that in India, people have the world-class mattress. Now, this is possible because of the association of Foam Home with world leaders like Bekaert Textiles, Lava Textiles, the best of the foam manufacturers like Recticel, Yupin, Goma Goma, the best of the technology suppliers like Technogel. They were the best of the material suppliers like Latexco from Belgium. So Foam Home have worked together with world's topmost suppliers of raw materials which go in to make the quality mattresses. So I had day-to-day interaction with customers. Now that every customer who comes to buy a mattress, his first, of course, desire is that he wants something very soft, very comfortable, very cozy feeling mattress. That's what he has in his mind when he comes. And everybody ends up buying a firm, hard mattress because they feel hard and firm is an orthopedic mattress. It is best for their back support, it is best for their health. So, everybody wants something, but they're buying something very different. That means there is a need to develop a mattress which can be very soft, which can be very cozy feeling, very comfortable, and at the same time would give them the right kind of a support to their body. So, trying to combine these two things, comfort and support, that's where the Ergoshell concept came. Yeah, now you would be knowing what is this miracle construction Ergoshell. A lot of experience has gone into designing it because in the market we have mainly two kinds of mattresses. One is the spring mattress and the other is foam mattress. And when they make a foam mattress, what they do is they put like a base, they will try and make a firm base, then they have a medium layer and then on the top a soft layer. But they are just one layer on top of the other. So the feel all over the surface will be just the same when you sleep. I mean, it does not respond to your variable body weights. The second mattress what's available in the market has been spring mattresses. Now you take spring mattresses, most of the springs feel the same. You take 10 different big companies, lie down on them, and you will find that there's hardly any difference in the feel when you sleep on it. What really makes the difference in the feel of the mattress is just the top layer. We call it as a comfort layer. So the way you just vary your comfort layer, that will give you a different feel of that mattress. But at the end, the base, which is spring, where they call it a spring mattress, remains constant. So I had to design a mattress which will take care of this uneven body weight on a mattress. Because in Ergoshell, I've divided this whole mattress into 7 zones. The Ergoshell has a shell, is the core of the mattress. It's like a foundation of the mattress around which the whole mattress is designed. Shell is made of molded polyurethane foam of 50 plus density, which makes it extremely durable and highly resilient. A shell is divided vertically into 7 zones, and horizontally, if you take an average double bed mattress, it will have 6 zones. So the mattress is divided into 42 zones to take care of that uneven weight distribution. The inner walls of the shell, they provide resilience, support and the depth to the mattress, and the outer walls of the shell makes the mattress very compact. Once you have a shell ready, you need to just place those foam blocks of different firmness. Now each block will have foam put into it of different compression depending on your body weight. Now this, of course, we have a system known as pressure mapping devices, which are the computerized systems we have. So I can exactly get your mapping of your body weight, and the same thing I can use into my designing of those blocks. So I can perfectly design a mattress which will give a perfect alignment to your spine when you're sleeping, and I can make the mattress very soft. I need not make your mattress very hard. I can give you a very soft mattress, but just the right support and the amount of support what you need. We keep foam block ready, so when I have to design a mattress, and they all are of different colors. So the colors will tell us what compression of foam that is. So for a person to design a mattress Be very easy. On the basis of the color, you can just place them into the shell, which takes less than a minute to fill up one double bed mattress. Okay, once you have done this, then you have a choice of using the top layers. Like some people prefer to have a latex foam, latex mattress. So I can have the top comfort layer of latex. Some people like the feel of memory foam. So I have an option to use a memory foam on top. Or if you want to make it a more economical mattress, one can use just a PU foam layer on top, which can be the least expensive, but at the same time, it is again designed orthopedically to give you a very different feel than a normal, polyurethane foam mattresses.
Hi, this is Sabina Bhanpurawala, CEO and second generation to India's most reputed mattress manufacturing company, Foam Home India Private Limited. ErgoShell is not just a product, it is actually a method of making a mattress. We are here to literally change the way mattresses are going to be made and felt. So most mattress manufacturers at present times are really looking for a product that is very different from the market, like genuinely different, not just claiming that it's different. And I think ErgoShell really has the potential to fill that gap in. Here's why. ErgoShell, firstly, like I said, is a very different construction of a mattress. You cannot compare it to anything that exists in the market at the moment. It's not your typical layer on layer construction. It's a construction that is built over a mattress core which is made of molded polyurethane foam. Now this is because of its uniqueness, we were successfully able to globally patent the ErgoShell technology, which means any manufacturer who's going to use this technology is going to be well protected. Today it's very easy to ruin somebody's marketing efforts, somebody's sales efforts, just because another competitor has copied the design. Thankfully with ErgoShell that won't be possible. The second, I think, very important feature is that ErgoShell allows the mattress manufacturer to actually develop an entire range of mattresses which could differ in feel as well as in price points. So one can make a very economical mattress using the ErgoShell technology. At the same time, you can have ErgoShell in one of your most premium mattress ranges. The construction ends with a comfort layer. Using these comfort layers in different materials, you can offer a polyurethane foam mattress, you can offer latex, you can offer memory, you can even offer feather mattresses. You can imagine how plush the feather mattress can feel, and one can comfortably use it without worrying about the spine because the ErgoShell technology beneath is taking care of your spine. So it's an extremely plush mattress which is orthopedic. This offering can only be possible using the ErgoShell. So I think a manufacturer has the opportunity to really develop this sort of a range for his market. So I think also for every mattress manufacturer, it's very important that their after sales services are as good as just selling the mattress. As far as the ErgoShell mattress goes, it's very easy to provide a good service to your client. Say after a few years, the customer comes back to you and says, okay, maybe I think I need a different firmness, or maybe I need my mattress to be softened a little more. Is that possible? With ErgoShell, fortunately, it's possible, and it's possible very easily. All you need to do is replace the blocks, seal the mattress back up, and it's as new as it can be, and it's with a completely different feel. So this sort of an offering is very easily possible with the ErgoShell mattress. So every manufacturer, when he considers a new technology, he's obviously also considering the kind of investment that's going to go into it, whether he's going to need to invest in any more people or any more machinery in order to launch this technology. ErgoShell can be launched very, very easily. So we manufacture the mattress shells, which is the core of the ErgoShell technology. Once you have the mattress shells, the ErgoShell mattress production takes barely 2 to 3 minutes. It's extremely easy and fast to produce an ErgoShell mattress. This is possible using your existing facility, which means you're not really investing in any new machinery. And just by taking this technology, you actually are giving an entire new range to your existing segment and market.
So, ErgoShell mattress technology, very different from the market, very innovative, very unique construction, and a very genuinely and honestly designed orthopedic mattress is going to be the future of the mattress industry, and it will stay for years to come.